the range of the function f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 2 cos x. And before finding the range, so the domain of this function can be taken as a domain of f can be taken for which 1 minus 2 cos x cannot be equals to 0, that is cos x should not be equals to 1 by 2. Okay, and now for cos x not equals to 1 by 2, since cos x lies between minus 1 to plus 1 and cos x not equals to 1 by 2 will consider, and 2 times of cos x is lies between minus 2 to plus 2, so which implies minus negative of that, so minus 2 is less than or equals to minus 2 cos x is less than or equals to 2. So changing the inequality, so minus 2 cos x lies between minus 2 and plus 2. Then again adding 1, so 1 minus 2 is less than or equals to 1 minus 2 cos x is less than or equals to 1 plus 2. So we can write minus 1 is less than or equals to 1 minus 2 cos x less than or equals to 3. But since cos x is not equals to 1 by 2, that is 1 minus 2 cos x cannot be equal to 0. So we can split this as minus 1 is less than or equals to 1 minus 2 cos x is less than 0, and again 0 is less than 1 minus 2 cos x is less than or equals to 3. Now let us consider its reciprocal. So we can get here 1 upon 1 minus 2 cos x. So when it is taken reciprocal, the inequalities will change here. So here it comes 1 upon 0 can be taken, it's a negative, minus because it's a negative value, so minus infinity to, and 1 upon minus 1 can be taken here, minus 1, and here 1 upon 1 minus 2 cos x when it's taken reciprocal, so 1 upon 3 can be taken here, and here it's a positive, so 1 upon 0 can be taken infinity, so plus infinity we can write, that is your f of x lies between minus infinity to 1 and 1 upon 3 is less than or equals to f of x is less than infinity. So the range of f of x can be taken, here minus infinity to minus 1 closed union 1 by 3 to infinity. So we can check in the options minus infinity to minus 1 closed union 1 by 3 to infinity. So none of the options are matching, but it's like approximately equal, like including, even excluding minus 1, you can consider the option C, that's most near to the answer, right? Thank you.